Good morning. Jimmy Brooks here. I know I ain't been on in a while. Been kind of sick. I've been working a lot. So at least I get to participate a little bit in Stock Lock Sunday. So in the vise here I have a Master Lock. Claims to be a construction grade. There's the key there. It does work. This also happens to be one excuse me. It also happens to be one of those type of padlocks that if you do not turn the key back, the core will flip on you. Watch. It ain't gonna do it with the key in it. It will flip around on you. So turn the key back and then lock it. If you happen to have one of these, I know I've seen them picked before. Albert Bell and Cameron Dunn both picked them and gutted them. Now, y'all ready for this? Hope everybody needs a good laugh because standard Peterson bogey, 25 thousandths. I'm just using enough tension that really just hold the wrench into place and keep it from binding on the body of the lock. In and up. You'd have thought that I bought a jiggler key for this thing. I just screwed that up. There it is. Turn it back all the way. We're gonna do that again. This time with a standard hook and 25 thousandths. Gotta get under the pins. There it is again. Little counter. And there it is. Make sure it's all the way back the other direction. That is a Master Lock. Can't really see and get my glasses on. 996. Master Lock 996. Raked and is PP'd. That's gonna do it for me. And, just so you see that shit is locked up before I slam that shackle back. That's probably the better practice with all the padlocks. Is don't try not to slam the shackle because it will spin on you. And right when you think that it won't, it will. Anyway, y'all have a great day.